Mentally strong people aren't born unbreakable. They're wired differently. And no, it's not about positive thinking or cold showers. These 10 hidden habits are what actually build unshakable resilience. Today, we're decoding the unspoken daily habits of people who thrive under pressure, bounce back from failure, and stay calm in chaos. Let's dive in. Instead of fighting anxiety, mentally strong people contain it. Every day at 3 p.m., they write down fears for 10 minutes. Then, close the journal. Anxiety hates a deadline. They ask, what's the worst that could happen? Not to spiral, but to pre-solve problems. It's pessimism with a purpose. Mentally strong people choose discomfort daily. Cold showers, tough conversations, skill building. Why? To train their brain. Uncomfortable doesn't mean unbearable. Instead of I'm damaged, they say, I'm adaptive. Trauma becomes, this taught me to read people. It's not denial, it's narrative alchemy. They don't wait for others to say sorry. Mentally strong people heal by saying, what they did is their story. How I rise is mine. When overwhelmed, they ask, will this matter in 5 years? Most problems shrink under the lens of time. Goals say, I'll be happy when. Systems say, I'm growing daily. They focus on the process, not the trophy. They mute noise, toxic news, gossip, other people's opinions. Their focus is a fortress. Mentally strong people don't hide struggles. They share them strategically. Not for pity, but to connect and normalize growth. And lastly, they audit their inputs. Does this book or person or show drain me or fuel me? Mental strength starts with mental hygiene. Mental strength isn't about being bulletproof. It's about knowing how to heal the cracks. Start with one habit today. And remember, the strongest minds are built in quiet moments, not the spotlight.